In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I place my designs on a Racerback tank top. So first you got to go to Printify.com and log into your account. You want to go to catalog, and once you go to catalog, you're going to go to the woman's clothing and you're going to go to tank tops. From here, you want to go to Woman's Ideal Racerback Tank by Next Level. This is the one I'm going to use, and it's a bestseller as well. Okay, so from here we're going to choose a print provider. The one I'm going to use is going to be called the Dream Junction. So I found the Dream Junction. I'm going to click on Start Designing. I'm going to add a design. So I added my design. Since it's a white text and it's a white background, you can't see it, so I'm going to change the color. The one I'm going to use is going to be black, and the other one I'm going to use is going to be called Heather Gray. I'm going to uncheck the solid white by clicking on it. And if you want to use other colors, you may do that as well. Alright, so from here on out, I'm going to adjust this design and I'm going to move it to the top. Make sure it's adjusted correctly. I like to go to the chest area or high as possible. Make sure it's aligned in the middle. Okay, I think that looks good. I'm going to press Save Product. From here, I'm going to look at the Woman's Ideal Racerback tank that I just uploaded. I'm going to press Edit Listing. I'm going to leave these images as it is. I can edit this later on Etsy. And for this one, I'm going to put in the title. So I put the title, Future Physical Therapist, just to help me out on the listing. For the price, I'm going to put 60% profit margin. And it doesn't matter what profit margin you use, but this is the one I'm going to use. On the bottom, I'm going to leave all these be for the store details, product visibility in store. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to check mark the third one. You're going to leave all this alone. For the shipping profile, it says create new shipping profile. In this example, I did not create a new shipping profile. So I'm going to check mark this. If I did, you would actually select the one that's already been made and it should be already in your Etsy store. Alright, so after that, press publish.